All right, so we got to talk about this $15 billion market cap prediction for Baby Doge. Now, this is definitely possible here, and we're going to talk about why it's possible, and then we're going to talk about how it could get there, and then we're going to do the math just to show that this is possible. So definitely stick around to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So the first thing that we're just going to look here is at the Baby Doge, all of these tokenomics here. So we have a circulating supply, give or take around 150 quadrillion. Now it's more so like 149, 148, and then after we do the 5 quadrillion burn, it'll be much less. But essentially, just looking at it like this from this perspective here, we're at about 150 quadrillion. And the reason why I came up with the 150 quadrillion for our circulating supply is because if you go ahead and you look over here at the Binance Smart Chain scan here for Baby Doge, we're just going to go ahead and say, give or take, we have 150 quadrillion circulating supply, right? Even though we have a little bit less. Now, at our peak, we were at 8Z6345 for Baby Doge. 8Z6345 was our peak here for Baby Dogecoin. And this is an important number because if you actually go ahead and do the math here, and I actually already went ahead and did it, but I already closed it earlier so you can't actually see it again. But we'll just go ahead and do this right now. If you just go ahead and take where we are now, 150 quadrillion, and if you look at this now, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion, and you multiply that by 8Z6345, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lots of numbers there. 8Z6345 that Baby Doge started. So we can't necessarily see the actual very start and finish of Baby Doge there, but give or take, it started somewhere around there. So that's what we're looking at here for Baby Doge, and that's why I believe Baby Doge can get all the way up to 4 billion market cap, because when we started, we weren't even a mature project at that point, and we were still able to make it happen. We were for Baby Doge. So let me know what you guys think about this. Hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Check out the link in the description if you want these chart prime indicators. And as always, I'll be back with another video.